Hello and welcome to the course. This course is intended to serve as a basic introduction to a writing workshop. Writer's Workshop is a way of teaching that developed out of the writing research of the 70s and 80s that emphasized the processes writers use as they compose. It's a structure for organizing time in a classroom that emphasizes students spending as much time as possible actually writing. It emphasizes students choosing their own topics and making intentional choices about writing as they develop pieces of writing and as they develop themselves as writers. In a workshop, the teaching focuses on writing and writing processes, not on literature or history or any other content. Students keep a writer's notebook where they write about any topics they choose, and they write, ideally, every day in class. A good deal of class time is spent writing in this notebook, with the teacher providing short lessons at the beginning of class that help students develop their writing. This microcourse is split into 3 segments. Part 1 introduces the basics of a writer's workshop. Part 2 looks at the structure of a class period and helps you to get started with a writing workshop. And in Part 3, you'll learn about how to take students through a writing cycle throughout the course of a unit. I'm really excited to do this course with you, and I hope that you are excited as well.